Hi guys, this is Kean and Conlon, and this is Fierce Outdoors. Come along on our adventure crappie fishing. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you there.
These chips better go flying when we
Got him.
I just had a bite.
There's a bunch of them down there right now, guys.
Do you feel nice? Oh, dang!
It's okay. No, it's not dang. There's a bunch of fish down there right now, guys.
He looks fat, don't he? He looks fat.
Yeah. There's a bunch of fish, guys.
I had a bite.
Oh, there was. Now they're all gone.
Dad caught them all.
Oh, my bobber's goofy.
Man, I'm not even paying attention to my bobber.
I was looking at you guys and I felt. Oh my God, it's already under.
Got him?
What the? I had him. Did you see that?
Yeah, get it back down there. You gotta bury that hook harder then.
Something's up with this thing.
No, get it down there. Got him.
Ah,
How come we're not catching
he's
anything?
stealing all my fish, Dad.
Oh, this one's nice. Okay, yeah, look at that one.
Stealing all my fish.
Yeah,
Show him.
Show
Dang,
'em.
it's pretty nice.
it's a decent crappie.
Doing it.
Oh yeah, that's the biggest one there.
How big?
I don't know, I didn't check it. Got him.
Bro!
Stop carrying.
Oh, that's a decent one too.
Mo got one.
Mariah got one? And
Oh, I got off! Right at the...
Oh.
Oh, I see him! Yeah. I almost got him.
Was he a nice one?
I put my hand in there. But I had my...
I hear.
Yeah.
How
And
much
then
is
that bomber's moving. Your other one there.
You're annoying.
Yeah, you are.
Take it under, you filthy animal. Take it
That
under.
one's nice.
Take it under.
That big bastard went under. Here he comes again.
How come we got nothing over here?
It's racist.
Got one.
Are you
Jesus
serious?
Christ, Jamal.
She
Jamal.
called him Jamal.
Jamal.
Conlon, oh, I might have you. No.
Oh
Oh my,
God,
that's a nice one.
nice.
Monster. Want to trade spots?
Yeah, let's trade. I just knew we were gonna keep them.
Did you?
Oh, I just knew it.
You must have had mine for a sec, did you?
I don't know. Eater size. Oh, there's one. Got him.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Jeez, you're
Not the
slaying
pony
him.
way.
You're slaying him over there.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, is he nice?
I'll measure him to see if he's eater.
Show him.
Go again.
Let's see if he's an eater.
Hey.
Grandma wants some crappie to eat.
We're gonna cook him up there.
It's 10. I'll keep him for eating.
Oh, we already have so many
Stop
fish.
slaying out the whole way. Did I?
Yep.
Yeah. He's
Here,
small.
give me the grab.
Is it small? In. Oh yeah, it's a small one.
Wrap it out. I want sweat right then.
Oh, my bait's gone.
Oh, dang it. Do you have another one?
They ate your plastic bait?
Yeah.
Is that bad for us?
Probably
Do
just
you have
got.
another one, Dan?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, got him.
It's a small one. I can.
Go. That's me. Probably tangled on him. Yep. Yep, I was tangled on him. This one's going back.
Is it not big enough?
Can you
No.
see my thing?
No.
It's still down.
Yeah, probably.
So.
Oh yeah, see, I'm tangled on you. It's right there.
I'm gonna let my string go.
No, I'm off you now.
So I can yell have it.
Yeah. Oh my god, that wasn't far at all. Alright, get it back down there. There's a fish down there.
It's dead.
Who cares? And there's fish there. We can't be dilly-dallying. Make him chase up.
And get him. Boom. Got one.
You got one, Kate?
When I saw it, maybe like this, then.
Oh, I missed him
You don't
too.
even set the hook, Keith.
Come and get it. It's dinner time.
Dinner time. fool.
Right, Keith. Set it for the next
Come on, hit it.
Din
Hit it. Hit it.
Din, buddy.
Let's make him come up for it and see how aggressive he's gonna be.
Oh my god. That was not a snake.
Come on, come up and get it.
Oh, wait a second.
They are not that aggressive.
it. He didn't set it.
You didn't set it. Oh, yeah, I did.
You're like.
Bro, you want to talk about that set that you had going?
At least I caught one.
Let's be nice. Got him?
Oh my. The decent. Oh god.
That's why I took him away from the hole.
Show me. What? So what?
Is he decent, Keith?
Can you show me? Nice.
Keep it or
I don't know. I don't know how big it is.
Okay. There's more down there. Here. Put them on the board.
I want that.
Oh, did it? Man, there's several fish down there, guys.
Throw it down.
Got him.
He's smaller. I can Are you gonna let him go?
Let's see what he is. I mean, I know Grandma wanted it here, getting some fish.
Give me some crappies.
There we go.
And This one might be too small. Yep, too small. It's only 9 inches. Oh, your bobber, Cole. You better get that. Set that. Got him? Got him off?
No, I got him.
Do you?
Come on.
You're on the bottom of the ice, I think.
Dude, stop reeling.
Yep, you're.
Oh.
You pull.
Yeah, because you kept reeling when you were...
Yeah, you're on the bottom.
He was dead anyways.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, I cannot catch a fish for the life of me.
Yeah, there's one there.
You got him?
Yep. Get him off the ice. Get him off the side. What the heck? You want... Oh my god. I can't reel in.
You're on the bottom of the ice.
I can't.
There you go. Get him in.
Oh my, was he nice?
It's
I can't
okay.
go.
Take it off.
He was he on the bottom?
He was on the bottom of the ice. Get back down.
Is he big?
I don't know.
Bad. Why do they help on the bottom?
Because you have to keep it in the middle.
You gotta keep it in the middle of the hole.
I can't see. Yep.
Yeah, like slide him down.
Yeah, it's a 10 inch.
Here.
Grandma will eat it.
I don't eat any fish. Got another one?
Well, hold it up. Nice. Get it off the hook.
Chill, boss man.
That's a decent one, huh? Grandma will eat that one.
She'll say something. I call that one. Someone bought some.
I don't know what that was on my phone. Need the hook remover?
Is that a keeper?
Yeah, throw it down.
You can just have him.
Oh,
Oh my god, bro.
jeez.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't let him get down.
Don't let him get down that hole.
Hold it up for me.
Wait.
Nice, Key.
Yeah.
It's probably too small, or what is it?
Here, where's the...
Throw him
Yeah,
down.
that's a little small.
Throw him back.
Let me see. Show it. Lift it up. Yeah, throw him back. Good job.
Oh, thank you. That's yummy.
I mean, how the heck are you catching these that we can't even draft one?
Your bottom.
Got one.
Yep. Get it in.
Look at the...
That's a nice one,
Yeah,
though.
look at the heater.
Yeah. Get it off that hook, dude.
Hold up.
I got one on the draft, too.
Chill, boss man. Hey. Sit.
And then show it to us. That's a decent one. Oh, take this.
What?
I got a fish here.
I just spilled a bunch of water on my
Keep it
face.
on your brother. God, it's taking off again.
Show us.
Yeah, look at it.
Wait. Nice. Yeah. We'll get more. Yeah.
Little, I think.
How they feel.
Oh, it ain't that little.
He's pretty nice.
Yeah.
But I might need a hook remover.
Maybe. Only.
Come on, Cole, grab this, please.
What? This?
Yeah.
Grab the hook remover. I haven't
Don't
worked.
drop
Show
it
us
down
your
the hole.
fish.
Watch out. We cover
Hold
the
it
holes
up,
up for
hold
you.
it up.
Show us
first.
that fish.
Yeah, it's way down there.
Oh man, it's not a bad one though.
No, make sure you cover the holes. Don't drop it. Don't drop the hook remover down there.
Yeah, that's.
Let's check the other one. have to keep it.
Nice.
Did you get it out?
Yeah, he got it out.
Now you have 2 to put down there.
Got him. Oh, it might be a decent one. I can't tell. Not really.
Nice light source you got there, Matt.
Yeah. Let's see how many inches this one is. Ah, dang. That's 10 inches. I'll keep them for a nice little meal.
When I saw
it.
it up, but I couldn't see what color it was and stuff.
Here, I'll use my flashlight on it.
Yeah, we got two right there. A double, and we didn't get none of it on.
What,
Did you turn it on?
Did you say
Did
that
you
she
turn the
cared
camera
that
on?
you're gonna now?
Just now. We got
Oh, sheesh.
that one. Let me
Pretty
see your,
nice.
let me see your sunny.
See the sunny.
Flash the light towards them.
So trying to get the hook out.
You need a hook remover?
No, I have like the. Oh, it's in like the top of it. It's like in his lip.
Oh, do you want my hook remover?
Yeah, just show him.
Here. Oh wait, let me get my thumb out of there.
We're out of here for the night. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell.